Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisha Batul and my roll number is 16TE01. Today, this is a lecture 8 and week 6. We'll be discussing about DSP. Previously, we discussed about direct method in my lecture, and today we'll discuss about scale shifted method. I have taken the example, the same example that I have taken before. Y of n is equals to x of n minus 2 x of n minus 1 plus 3 x of n minus 2. And x of n is given as 1, 1, 1, and the index lies at 0 value, at 1 value, okay? And the impulse response that I have calculated before was 1, minus 2, and 3. Now I have drawn x of 0 from this given value. Now I'll plot 0, 1 index, and this value will be same, and it will be x of 1. Same 0, 1, and 2, it will have the same amplitude and it will be x of minus 2. Now, as we know the formula, y of n equals to summation k approaches from minus infinity to infinity and x of k into h minus n minus k. This is the value how we calculate y of n. Now we have to calculate y of n, and we know that x of 0, if we start from x of 0, we'll be having x of n minus 0, and we will be adding all the values. This will be x of 1, h of n minus 1, plus x of 2, and h of n minus 2. Now we will be plotting this thing, h of n. I will plot this like 0, 1, and 2. At 0 it is 1, at 1 it is minus 2, and at 2 it is 3. It is h of n minus 0 and x of 0. Now the scaled version that I'll plot will be 0, 1, 2, 3. It will be 1, it will be minus 2, and it will be 3. So the value will be x of 1 and at n minus 1. And the third one that I will plot 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will be this minus 2 and 3. It will be x of 2 and h of n minus 2. Combining all these values, I will be getting y of n. That will be at 0, it is 1, and neither values lie at 0. So it will be 1. At 1 minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus 1. And similarly, all the values are that I'll submit, and I will be getting 2, 1, 3, and 0. And the index will be lying at 1. And this is the same as we got from the direct method that was previously discussed in my lecture video. So I hope this will be this will work for you in all the cases. So now we will see the flip and slide method. That is basically the convolution. I'm writing this as here. Flip and slide method. So I will take the same example that I have taken before. X of n minus 2, x of n minus 1, 3 of x n minus 2. And we know that the previous formula that we used was minus infinity to infinity x of k and h of n minus k. In this case, we will be replacing this k by n, and we will calculate the same values accordingly, and we will compare it and slide. If we have h of k, so h of k है हमारे पास, इसको जब हम फ्लिप करेंगे तो हमारे पास h of माइनस k आ जाएगा. हम पिछली ही एग्जाम्पल यूज़ करते हैं और उसको कंसिडर करते हैं y of k. हम जो है ना वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे एंड एक्स ऑफ के जो है वो हमारे पास है 1 1 एंड 1. इंडेक्स 0 पे जो है वो 1 हमारे पास आ रहा है एंड एच ऑफ के जो है वो हमारे पास है 1 -2 एंड 3. जब हम इसको फ्लिप करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा -3 -2 एंड 1. अब हम एक स्लाइड मेथड यूज़ करेंगे. हमारे पास एक्स ऑफ के जो है वो 1 है. ये जो चीज़ है इसको हम राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 1 -2 3. दिस इज़ अ कॉमन थिंग. सो y ऑफ 0 विल बी 1 into 1 1. Next, this will slide and we will have this. This is index, and then we will be having y of 1 as 1 multiplied by -2, it's -2, and similarly we will plot all of these values and we will get y of n as 1 -1 2 1 3 and 0. This is basically called convolution method. Convolution is basically what we do. It is a mathematical way of combining two signals to form a third signal. This is basically what we call convolution, and in convolution we use flip and slide method. Okay, this method will continue. Let's suppose if I plot it as y of 5, it will be moving. It's y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3, y of 4 and y of 5. It will be like 3 y of 4. Let's suppose we with y of 4 -2 and 1. It's the only term that remains, so y of 4 will be 3. Okay, I hope this video will work for you, and if you have any questions you can comment it in the comment section.